Picking the right golf ball can have a drastic effect on your performance. So that we have picked best balls for you. Let's check them all. Number 1. Most popular. Titleist Velocity Golf Balls. From the industry leader, Titleist Velocity is a pure distance ball. It relies on a large, high-compression core to increase initial ball speed on the straighter clubs. The synthetic blend ionomer cover reduces spin for straighter shots, and is tough enough to last for 18 holes. Even if one gets lost, it's okay, because this is the most affordable ball in the Titleist lineup. It's also the hottest. The white Titleist Velocity ball is a good ball, and I like it, but the orange ball gives me an extra 10 to 15 yards on my drives. Number 2. 2020 Callaway Chrome Soft Golf Balls. With its new 34% larger core, it generates higher launch and lower spins. Its outer core is made thinner and stiffer, plus it is reinforced with graphene, which means it'll provide more wedge spin. All this comes with a new high-speed mantle system consisting of a proprietary ionomer blend for efficiency and faster ball speeds. These balls feature on-point accuracy from the ultra-low compression core. Chrome Soft X is the same but with a firmer feel and shorter driver spin. Number 3. Bridgestone E Speed Golf Balls. The words soft and distance don't always go together, but the E6 is an exception to a lot of rules. The core is gradational, getting firmer toward the middle to keep it from overcompressing. The reformulated cylinder cover is softer than in previous generations, with a unique dimple geometry that produces a straighter flight. But the star is the mantle layer. Few distance balls have 3 pieces, but this one has a firm, anti-spin outer core that increases rebound and produces less side spin. Number 4. Bridgestone 2020 Tour BRXS Golf Balls. Bridgestone redesigned the BRX and BRXS to be a tour-quality ball for the average golfer. The RXS has a softer, gradational core that players with slower swings can easily compress. Otherwise, this is a tour ball. Its proprietary slip-res urethane cover has a buttery feel that belies its resilience. One-ball rounds are doable. The zip that cover produces around the greens is where this ball can save, improving players' strokes. The Tour BRXS is designed for golfers with swing speeds under 105 miles per hour. Number 5. Titleist Pro V1 Golf Balls. The core of the ball is also reformulated to deliver more speed and less spin while maintaining its feel characteristics and compression, especially with the iron core. The control, however, is not affected by these modifications, making it a drop-and-stop trademark short game control. The V1X packs in low long game spin and high trajectory. V1 is 3-layered and V2 is 4, both having a very soft feel and control around the field. In addition to that, a new catchy yellow version of both of them is now available. Number 6. Wilson Golf Staff 50 Elite Golf Balls. This one is a serious performer. Wilson is known to make a somewhat cheaper product, but after playing with this ball and getting to know its characteristics, this is by no means a low-end ball. The 302 flat-bottom aerodynamic dimples make sure of a straight and stable flight with next to zero drag. The rubber core ensures greater distance and greenside spins, which makes it just what a high handicapper might need. The 50 and 50 Elite is referring to the compression. Number 7. Callaway Chrome Soft Truvis Golf Balls. The Callaway Chrome Soft Truvis Golf Balls feature a new graphene-infused dual soft fast core, and with the new larger inner core will maximize compression energy, while at the same time minimizing spin. These golf balls will also promote a high launch for your long-distance shots. They will also provide control for your short game, mid-irons, short irons, or wedges. The Soft Truvis's soft urethane cover, the fast submantle, and the low compression core will provide you with an unparalleled feel on the course.
Number 8. Nitro Ultimate Distance Golf Ball. This is a two-piece ball with a titanium core, and as we know, the more layers a ball has, the softer it would be. It has a titanium reactive core, giving it speed, and covered with a silane outer cover that will allow you greater control over this golf ball. At this price range, the performance that this golf ball offers is far better than other golf balls at similar price ranges. The Nitro Ultimate Distance features less spin and more velocity and distance.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.